Welcome back. In our last video, first I want to say sorry about the sound. If you hear any background sound, this was a last minute video, so that's why it's happening, and there's a lot of sound around me. I'll try and get it out, but if I can, bear with me. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reverse video in CapCut PC. This process is super easy. For instance, let's bring in this video once again. I've been working with this clip, and you guys should know this clip by now. This is my color grading clip, so you can check that on the channel or in this course. So this is the video we want to reverse it. All you need to do is to come here and it says reverse, click on reverse, and it's going to go out reversing the clip. And once it's done, you're going to see it's going to start from the back instead of the front. So let's just wait for it to completely render so that we can see it for ourselves and see how fast it renders this and reverses the video clip. It's almost done now, and it didn't take us about 1 minute plus. So now the video is ready, it has been reversed, and if we play it, this is what we get. Okay, so you can see she's moving backwards now instead of going forward. So that's simply how to reverse video in CapCut PC. By now you should have gotten a lot of these skills, and now you should be able to direct, edit, and produce your very own professional looking video that stands out from the crowd. I hope you've enjoyed the course till now, and I would like to see your feedback. I would like to hear from you. I would like your positive reviews on this course, and let's communicate, let's talk. If you have edits you've made and maybe you have a question, just let me know and I'll work on it. See you on the next one. Stay blessed.